Today was our day. We were living the dream in central Indiana. Rest of the week, however, we're going to be crying for rain as the drought, at least in the central part of the state, will continue to worsen. Remember, north and far south have had some decent rainfall here over the past 5-6 days. Average high 85. We had 88 after a low of 61 thanks to that very dry air. And speaking of dry, it's the 5th driest start to summer for us here in central Indiana, for Indianapolis at least, just over 2 inches with some of the rainfall we had late week. And we're going to continue to see a very dry pattern. We do have a chance right around this time tomorrow night of a shower or thunderstorm. I think it's going to be isolated to widely scattered. Getting into Saturday, just no organized rainfall here. And so the drought, especially for the central part of the state, is going to continue to get worse here in the coming 7 to 10 days. Temperatures noticeably hotter tomorrow. So 88, I think we're going to be easily in the 90s, more humid. That will be the key. And it does provide a chance. I think there will be some thunderstorms that should intensify late day to our west and northwest. Likely will be weakening by the time they arrive here, but not going to rule out a few severe thunderstorms. But again, you can see the coverage showing up on Future Track 13. It's not going to be widespread. We don't see it happening that way. Your planner for the morning gets you out the door at about mid-60s. Hotter, more humid, keeping that slight rain chance late in the day. Most of the day, however, is going to be a blue sky, plenty of sunshine, and highs that will be in the 90s here. The MUGGY meter gets into the MUGGY range. So once we get a dew point of 60 plus, you start to notice it. We're going to be right around 65 to 68. So 70 plus is what we call miserable. And as you notice, though, again, not going to be in the upper 70s like last week here. So we'll have a couple of days, I think Monday and Tuesday, and then later in the week the air starts to dry out again before we get into a little warm up and a little more humid air later in the week. So this is not going to be oppressively hot this week. Monday's going to be our hottest day in the forecast at 92. Out the door Tuesday morning, 72, kind of a humid start. Then high temperatures that will be in the mid-80s. A lot of sunshine on deck for us. We'll watch the Gulf Coast later in the week for potential tropical development, but right now it does not look like that stuff will make it up to us. We're just going to have sunshine, and those yards are going to continue to get crispy.